Across gardens and farms, compost piles promise transformation, old leaves and scraps turning into rich soil. But for many, the process drags on for months, seemingly lifeless and slow. Why does compost stall? It's not just about layering greens and browns. The real drivers, microbes, need more than just a mix. They need immediate access to moisture and nitrogen. In a new pile, these essentials are locked inside tough plant matter, making it hard for microbes to get started. Without quick access to fuel, the pile stays cold and inactive. The result? A heap full of potential but little action. Microbes are present but dormant, waiting for the right conditions. To unlock rapid composting, we must give these tiny workers what they need from the start. The secret isn't just balance. It's about jump-starting the microbial engine. Most piles wait for months, but with the right approach, you can awaken the process in days. The key is understanding and meeting the needs of the microbial world. Provide moisture and accessible nitrogen, and the transformation begins. Don't just wait, activate. Composting is less about patience, more about preparation. The right start means faster, richer compost. Let's see how to make it happen. Old farm wisdom offers a simple solution. Give microbes a direct nitrogen boost and a living starter. The first ingredient? Diluted urine, 1 part urine to 10 parts water, delivers nitrogen in a form microbes can use instantly. Undiluted, it's too strong, but diluted, it's perfect fuel. The second step, inoculate the pile with a few shovelfuls of finished compost, rich soil or aged manure. This introduces billions of active microbes ready to work. Combined, these steps transform a dormant heap into an active compost engine. The nitrogen-rich solution soaks the pile, while the starter brings a thriving microbial community. No expensive additives, just nature's own accelerators. This two-part method sparks rapid decomposition from day one. The pile is no longer waiting. It's alive and working. Pour the diluted nitrogen solution over your pile and change begins fast. Moisture and nitrogen reach deep, waking dormant microbes. Add your starter and billions of hungry microbes join the feast. They multiply rapidly, generating heat, the sign of active composting. Within days, the pile warms up, sometimes reaching 55–65 degrees Celsius. This heat speeds decomposition and kills weed seeds and pathogens. Proper balance prevents foul odours. The pile smells earthy, not rotten. The heat also draws in air, keeping the process aerobic and efficient. No more waiting months for results. With the right start, your compost pile becomes a self-sanitizing, efficient recycling system. The transformation is visible, tangible and fast. This is composting at its best. Once your pile is hot, oxygen is the next priority. Don't turn on a schedule. Let the pile's temperature guide you. When the core cools, turn the pile to move fresh material inward and add air. This reignites microbial activity and heat. Use bulky browns, shredded leaves, straw, wood chips for airflow. Add greens like kitchen scraps and grass clippings for nutrients. Avoid dense, wet materials and anything oily, meaty or dairy-based. The right mix keeps the pile hot and odour-free. Each turn restarts the cycle, speeding up decomposition. Feed your pile well, and it will reward you with rich compost. Rapid composting is all about timing, balance, and attention. This method is powerful, but use it wisely. Never use undiluted urine. It harms microbes and creates bad odours. Always dilute 1 part urine to 10 parts water. Don't start in freezing weather. Microbes need warmth to work. Begin in warmer months for best results. After rapid composting, let the pile cure for a few weeks before using. Fresh, hot compost can harm delicate plants. Let it mature. Skip expensive shortcuts. This simple method outperforms them all. Trust nature's process, guided by observation and respect. With the right care, you'll create rich compost faster than ever.